If life gives you lemons, what? If life gives you lemons, why not grill them and make grilled lemonade? You're burned already, might as well make it tasty. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna be making a unique and delicious lemonade. Haha, life, I'm grilling you and making you into lemonade. So we have a cup of cane sugar, just regular cane sugar, and then I have sliced about 5 lemons in half and taken the seeds out. The first step in this recipe is super simple. We wanna get a grill or a grill pan super hot. You really want your pan to be almost smoking hot. And we're gonna take our lemons and we're gonna coat them in sugar. So I'm gonna take my lemon and just dip it, get it real good and coated with sugar on the outside. I'm gonna place this right on the grill. Grill those lemons. So I'm gonna keep on dipping and grilling until the outside of these lemons gets nice and caramelized. You want that caramelized brown color. I love lemonade, especially pregnant. This has been one of the things I've craved consistently is lemonade. There's something about like the tartness of the lemon and the sweet, and it's just so satisfying. So I'm really pumped about this recipe. And make sure you give a good press down on your lemons. Caramelized lemons, delicious. So the beautiful thing that is happening to these lemons is we're caramelizing the sugars in the fruit and also the actual sugar that's on the outside of these lemons. So the heat is allowing the juiciness of the lemon to come out. It's creating this beautiful caramel crust. So when we go to put it into our lemonade, the taste is almost like a brown sugar lemonade or like a little bit of a burnt sugar. And you'll know these are getting ready to be used for our lemonade when we're starting to see these beautiful caramel juices happening in the pan. Okay, so this one is looking good. It's got those nice brown caramelization marks. So once your lemons are ready to go, I'm gonna put them back in my bowl and then we're gonna squeeze them all out at the end. And I'm gonna keep on dipping. So I loved selling things as a kid. I feel like I was probably an entrepreneur at a young age and I definitely had a lemonade stand. I was not creative enough to think about making grilled lemonade, which if your kids have a lemonade stand, this is gonna bring all the people to your yard. This grilled lemonade is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a big hit. While these last lemons are grilling, I'm gonna take my cane sugar, I'm gonna pour it into about 4 cups of water that I have in my pitcher. We're gonna go ahead and stir this together so it can start dissolving. And even the sugar is gonna have a little bit of that lemony flavor already in it from me dipping the lemons in there. All right, peeps. Ooh, that's a good one. We're good on these. They're looking gorgeous. They're looking grilled. They're looking fantastic. Perfect. Okay, so I've taken my grill pan off the heat. It needs to cool for a bit, and then we're gonna clean it because I wanna do a really pretty grilled lemon slice on the edge of the glass. And if I were to put the lemon slices in right now, they would just turn black. All the lemon juices and the burnt sugar wouldn't be your best bet on that. So we're gonna let it cool, we're gonna clean it, re-oil it, and then we're gonna grill those in a second. But while my pan is cooling, I'm gonna go ahead and juice these lemons for the lemonade. So we have our pitcher of water with our cane sugar that's lightly dissolved in here. And now we're gonna do the fun part. We're gonna squeeze these grilled lemons into our water. So I'm just gonna take a lemon, as so, and just lightly squeeze it over this fine mesh sieve. The sieve is gonna catch all of those kind of big, kind of caramelized bits and just allow the yummy caramelized juice to come through. So we're just gonna do this with all of our lemons. The color of this lemonade is gonna be darker than a traditional lemonade because we have that caramelization and that grilling that's happened on the outside. So if this looks a little bit like an iced tea color, that's totally normal. It actually makes it really delicious because you're getting that caramelized sugar. Okay, y'all, our final lemon. This smells so good. It smells like a lightly sugared lemon combined with like a little bit of caramel sugar. Woo, it smells good. All right, so our lemonade is ready to go. I'm gonna push these final juices through our sieve because they're too tasty to waste. And then I'm gonna stir this together until our sugar dissolves. And then while this is setting, I'm actually gonna wait to add my ice right until I serve it. And I'm gonna bring our pan back out and we're gonna grill those lemon slices for the garnish. All right, so we have our lemonade all ready to go. The sugar is dissolved. And now it is time to make our pretty garnish. So we are going to grill some lemon slices. Our pan is cleaned and lightly oiled. So we're just gonna put these right here on the grill. Woo, sizzle. Love it. So we're gonna grill these until they get those pretty grill marks on each side of our lemon slice. And then the extra ones that we don't use for garnish, we can actually put into the lemonade. It's gonna give a little visual cue of the fact that this is grilled lemonade. This isn't just any old lemonade, which makes it extra fantastic. So we're gonna flip this guy. I'm gonna grill the rest of our lemon slices. If you're really wanting to impress your customers at your lemonade stand, you can garnish each drink with a grilled lemon. Pay attention, kids. It's the extra touches that get people to buy stuff. Just maybe don't operate a grill without your mom and dad. Let them do the grilling. You can do the lemonade part. All right. So I'm gonna let these lemons cool really quickly, and I'm gonna get our glasses ready to rim with sugar. We have our clean glass ready to go, and we're gonna rim this with some cane sugar. So I'm just gonna plop this right into our corn syrup. Just like that. Corn syrup is perfect for rimming glasses. It keeps the sugar right there neatly on the rim. Do a quick little dab in our sugar. Perfect, it looks so good. I'm gonna add our ice to our lemonade. You can add as much ice as you want. I'm putting about 4 cups in here, but it's totally to your preference. All right, so I'm gonna give this lemonade a quick stir. So we're gonna pour our lemonade in the glass. Oh, this looks so pretty. Caramelized sugar, fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm gonna put our grilled lemon slice right here on our rim. Final touch, a green straw, summery straw, and I'm gonna add the rest of these grilled lemons into our grilled lemonade, just for that visual touch. This is such a fun idea for your outdoor parties, for summertime, and it is definitely an upgrade for your lemonade stand. Yum. That is delicious and so refreshing. I want to see a pretty picture of your grilled lemonade. Just tag @PopKitchen on Instagram and comment below. I want to know what you want to see me make next.